Hello, and in this video, this is just part 2 of the Autoresponder integration. So as you previously saw, we looked at actually having hooked up Getresponse to ClickSitesAI. So we actually went ahead and we got our API and we connected that to ClickSitesAI, and depending on which autoresponder that you have, what integration you have, this will typically be the kind of same setup in terms of then the configuration, actually finding out that list, actually making that connection. So what I want to draw your attention to, when we do go into our editing pane like so, for that particular page that we're working on, that particular website, if I scroll down to the left, I'm going to now look for forms. Okay, so under forms, we are going to see two types under form configuration. We've got form type, inbuilt and third party. Now we're not going to use the inbuilt one. If you use the inbuilt one, then that will actually collect those leads, okay, the name and emails, into ClickSitesAI itself. However, we are using a third-party integration, which was Getresponse. So once I select that, you can see there's a drop down here, and depending on which integration you've done, if you've got, you know, that MailChimp or Sendio, etc., this is where you would see that integration here. But for me right now, the only integration I have is Getresponse. So Getresponse, there you can see the name of it. I'll select that, and the key thing is that if you are obviously using your autoresponder, if you have more than one list, then you can actually select that specific list that you want those contacts to actually go to. So, you know, it's just not going to anywhere, essentially, you know, one kind of list. You can actually be very specific with the list. So you could create a specific list for a specific website that you're designing and do that connectivity that way. So you can see I create that list, ClickSitesAI within Getresponse. And then once you've done that, you've got two options after the action of them submitting. So once they've submitted their form, name and email, you can actually have it stay on the same page. That, like, they don't need to do anything else after that. Or if you wanted to redirect to a URL, that would essentially mean once they've submitted their name and email and they said, you know, they've pressed enter, you can actually have it redirect to any other page. So say, for example, if you have somebody that's entered their name and email and you wanted to redirect them maybe to a thank you page, right? A thank you page which could have a video, or maybe a sales page, maybe a demonstration page, maybe a download page. That is what you're able to actually do. And for more advanced users, you actually have a webhook URL that you can actually also enter there. So you've got those options there as you would expect. Okay, pretty basic things, really important, especially when it comes to opt-ins. And once you've done that, all you would simply do is, let's say, stay on the same page, save form. And that's it. It's now created. So anyone that comes, and if I had that name and email section, then all they would have to do is enter their information and submit. And that's it. Okay, that form has now been set up. So I can go ahead and I can find, you know, content block or the category of entering the name and email address and set that up, and you're ready to go. And it's as simple as that. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully, you know, you can set yours up now with ease. And I shall see you in the next video.